Knives are man's most basic tool, and I carry a knife in my pocket and always have ever. My name is Philip Booth. I'm from Ithaca, Michigan. I am thrilled to have Columbia River making my knives. This one is the Snarky. This is an everyday carry knife. It's actually the knife I carry every day. The Snarky blade shape is a recurve design. You get a nice deep belly here and then a recurve here. So that reverse curve is very aggressive because you get more edge on the blade. It is a flipper mechanism. It locks with a liner lock. The locks are very secure, very tight, no wiggle. It's easily closed, making this a one-handed knife. It has black handles. I like this plunge line to go at the same angle as these stainless steel stripes because I like repeating shapes. It just makes it look better. My name is Philip Booth. This is the Snarky. It's not only effective, but extremely good looking.